Okay, picked this up from a friend. It's a trade deal. All the canvas is dry rotted, stitching's coming undone. So I thought, do I get new canvas? That's $1,200 all the way around. Or do I build hard sides that collapse and make it its own? Still a pop-up, but it has hard sides that collapse. It's a pretty good little unit. Has AC, bathroom, shower. Nothing in the front. First thing I need to do is build a new cap for it, new roof. Eliminate the front slide out for the bunk. Don't need that. That's just wasted space. Put a solid wall in. It also collapses. Folds up inside. Got a few good ideas how to build this. If it's something I haven't thought of, please put your input in the comments. And we'll see what happens. See you on the next video.